Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to make borax crystal Christmas ornaments. So for today's experiment, you're going to need a pipe cleaner, a pencil, a paper clip, a clear jar or plastic cup, some borax, and some hot boiling water. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to decide what kind of ornament you're going to make with your pipe cleaner. So if you want to make a heart, a Christmas wreath, a snowman, a snowflake, or just an ornament. But today, I'm going to just make a Christmas tree. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my green pipe cleaner and I'm going to form it into a triangle, because most Christmas trees are triangle shaped. And you can do any shape you want. Remember, it's your Christmas ornament. You can get as creative as you want. What's nice about the pipe cleaner is they're able to kind of bend on how you want it. There we go. So there's my Christmas tree. I got a big Christmas tree for this one. Okay? Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to unfold it so you have part of it facing down and then the other part facing up. This is going to be our hook for our Christmas ornament. And then you're going to need your pencil. Now, first thing we're going to add to our glass jar is some borax. So I'm just going to put some borax in there. And since I'm using a big jar, I'm going to use quite a bit. And if you have a little extra left over in there, that's okay. Then now what we're going to do, I have a pot of hot boiling water. So make sure you're very careful as you're pouring because it is hot. So you're just going to pour some into your jar. And that water is going to mix with that borax. And you want to get it to as close to the top as you can, just like that. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do, so I'm going to take my paper clip, I'm going to attach it to the top of my ornament. Then I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to set it in there like this, and then I'm going to very carefully set my ornament into my jar. You're going to want to set this for at least 24 hours. And after a while, you'll start to notice that crystals will start to form onto your pipe cleaner. So now it's been 24 hours. Now let's check our ornament. Oh. Check this out. So if you've noticed, the borax has actually formed crystals on it. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now, you can even shine your light up to it, and look how those crystals shine in the light. Wow, that's gonna look really cool on the Christmas tree. You know what, I had so much fun with this, I even decided to make some extra ones. Here's an ice crystal, a star, and one of my favorites, the candy cane. That looks good enough to eat. All right, now there's only one thing left to do. Let's go hang this on the Christmas tree. Ah, I found the perfect spot to hang our new ornament. And from everyone here at Exploration Place, Happy Holidays!